Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me Hair lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually water wave and the hair came in this gorgeous purple packaging. The packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies like eyelashes, purple nails, hair comb, and also a brooch. It came with a wig cap as well and air ruffles, and the packaging also includes these silver gorgeous earrings as well. So yeah, there are loads of amazing goodies included in the packaging, and this is what the hair looks like straight from the box, guys. Look at those curls. The curls are popping straight from the box. You don't have to worry about installing your hair. Everything has been done for you straight from the box, guys. Look at the construction of the cap. Very neat, very silk, and just amazing. I love the construction of the cap. As you guys can tell, you don't need any glue or gel to install your hair. The construction of the cap is glueless and you don't need any customization whatsoever, unless you want to extra perfect the hair, which in my opinion is perfect. As you can tell, the hair also comes with center pass straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. Also, the knots has been bleached for you guys. The hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and there is also baby hair around the perimeters of the hair. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, this hair needs no extra customization in my opinion. All you need to do is just cut your legs and use the elastic strap or elastic band included in the construction of the cap to install your hair, and you will be good to go. That's exactly the look I'm going for today, but as always I have to lay down my side bun. So yeah, that's all I did so far. No glue or gel except for my side bun. I used the elastic band included in the construction of the cap to secure the hair, and that was good to go. I really love this hair. I love the fact that the hair is really soft, no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding, and here is the start of the show. Look at that. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. I was surprised. I was asking myself, guys, where is the lace? Where is the lace? At some point I was asking, like, where is it? Show me the lace. I love the lace of this wig. It's so soft, very easy to work with, and I love the fact that it melted straight into my skin effortlessly. Look at that. I was gobsmacked. I really love the quality of this lace wig, and the fact that the hairline is just perfect, effortless. Like, look at that. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. You can pack the hair anywhere you like within the 13x4 closure, and the fact that the hair does not need extra work is just amazing for me. And yep, basically all I did was just use my hands to brush out the curls to give it that voluminous vibe, if that makes sense, and that's all I did for the first style, and I was loving it. Look at that. This is the type of unit that you don't actually need to do anything but cut your lace and you'll be good to go, kind of wig, like a beginner friendly kind of wig, which I really love. I love the fact that you don't need to do any extra customization to this hair, and as you guys can tell, I actually don't need to apply any concealer, but I just wanted to saturate on the parts. But yeah, the curls are popping. Look at that. The hair is really full, very soft and very silky to touch. Been wearing the hair for a while now and I'm still loving it. I haven't experienced any shedding so far. I'm still wearing the hair since the last time I filmed this hair, and I am still loving it. The hairline, guys, the hairline is amazing, and look at the curls. The curls are popping. Look at that. All I did was just apply water to to the hair, and voila. I am loving it. The hair is so soft and the curls are really bouncy. I was actually feeling myself. As you guys can tell, I was enjoying it. I love the fact that the hair is also true to length. And hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me Hair lace frontal wig right here. Guys, look at that. The curls are popping. I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the hairline of this wig. Guys, the hairline is amazing. Show me the laces. Like, seriously, show me the lace. Where is the lace? Just tap me when you find the lace. Just tap me when you find the lace. straight from the box. Everything has been done for you. The hair is actually beginner friendly, and I'm loving the fact that, you know, anyone can actually install this hair. You don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. As you guys can tell from the beginning of this video, that the hair actually comes with an elastic band, and it also comes with adjustable elastic strap as well. Both the elastic band and the elastic strap are adjustable. You have the options to secure your hair without using any glue or gel. So that about this hair I am loving right now. I like about this hair is the lace. All I did was just place the lace on the glue and it disappeared into my skin. I am actually loving it. The lace is really soft and very easy to work with. Really love the lace of this hair. It's very lightweight, very easy to work with, and very soft. Most amazing thing I love about this hair is the quality of the hair, guys. The quality of the hair is amazing. Look at that. I've been running my hands through the hair and I didn't experience any shedding at all. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. I love the bouncy curls. I love the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle. I love the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it at all. Right out of the box, you can tell that the curls are popping. Look at that. I think they are very generous with the length of their hair, because the hair looks more like 22 inches in my opinion. The thing I like about this hair is the fact that from the top to the tip of this hair, it's actually full to the brim, and also the curls were popping from top to the brim. So I love that about this hair. And if you guys are watching my video for the first time and you don't know Love Me Hair, Love Me Hair, a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, and they have curly hair, they have straight hair, they have body wave, they have all types of hair on their website. The most amazing thing about the brand is the fact that they normally do offers on their website every now and then. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. Another thing I like about Love Me Hair is the fact that they always pay attention to details when it comes to the construction of their wig cap. The construction of the cap is flawless. I love the construction of this cap, and I love the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend this hair based on the fact that the quality of this hair is top notch. Is definitely AA plus for me, and in terms of how easy it is to install the hair and the fact that it's also beginner friendly is definitely AA plus for me, and the fact that the lace melted into my skin effortlessly and the lace is easy to work with is definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, guys, their shipping was really quick, and in terms of their shipping is definitely AA plus for me because the hair took 3 or 4 days to get to me. So, and in terms of the construction of the cap and how easy it is to install the hair, is definitely AA plus. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.